Well, howdy there, pluckers. I was all fingers back with you again. Hopefully another interesting, helpful lesson for you all. This is an additional lesson in the series of lessons for the song Maria Elena from Los Indios Tabajaras, which I did very recently. I thought it might be useful for everybody to have a backing track to play against when you've actually learnt the leads and want to practice it. So this is a backing track that covers part 1 followed by part 2. So it's basically half the song, if you like, okay? So from standard tuning, doing the key of C, okay, as per the original lead part I put up. So you'll find hopefully in the description box under the video a link to the tab sheet that I've also done for the rhythm side of it, showing the bars and the chords over the top of them, okay? So let's get to it. So I'm going to just play the intro so we can all come in at the same point, okay? So here we go. There you go, boys and girls. Hopefully you'll get to grips with that and it fits into the lead you've played and worked out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.